Hey guys, you don't know your boy Anthony back again with another video and thing. So today we're gonna be reviewing Shenseea's new album Alpha. Honestly, I don't know what to really expect from this album. This has been highly anticipated. You know, Shenseea, she finally gone international with her thing. So, you know, this is like her first real body of work since she's been signed to an international label. And we just want to see if, you know, if it was worth the wait, you know, if it worth the hype and all of that. But before we get into the video, please like this video, share it, and if you haven't already, just subscribe. Just subscribe now, man. Help the youth, you see me? Big up on yourself. Alright, so let's get into the album. But honestly, this song isn't bad. I'm not gonna lie. I like the hook. I think the hook is very, you know, kind of addictive. You know, aim for the target, put it pa me, or put it pan it, or whatever. But yeah, I actually, this isn't a, I mean, it's not like the best all-time greatest song ever, but I like the hook. And I think it's a fairly good opening track. You know what I mean? He aimed for the target. So I guess the target was really for her to really reach international acclaim, get more wider recognition. You know, she started from humble beginnings. She was like a promo girl. Then she worked her way into the dancehall scene with Ramesh. Now she's international. So one can say she really aimed for that target there. But then on the other side, you know, she could have just thought about aim for the target, you know. Put it pan, you know. Might have to listen to that song again, really forget like a full grasp, like for kind of really understand like the message in this. But I like I like the hook. I think it's a fairly good opening track. I don't really have much to say about this song. I think the production was good. You know, London on the track. It kind of sounds similar to his prior works with Summer Walker. I can definitely hear it here. I like how he kind of merges that with like the whole dancehall thing. You get me? Yeah. But I mean, listen, Shenseea, she sounds great on this track, but it's not really memorable. It kind of reminds me of early Rihanna, like how, you know, she did have that Caribbean influence with the pop sound. Yeah. I mean, it don't really do nothing for me per se, but cause I mean the song, you know, it not sound bad, you know, it not sound bad. Maybe after a couple listens, it can really, you know, I can really grow to love that song here. But for right now, it's just okay to me. I think this is my least favorite song thus far on the album. As I can appreciate what she's trying to do now. She's experimenting with her sound. You know, she's in an international market now, so she's trying to she just try different sounds. You see me? And I can appreciate it, but it just sound too, you know, authentic. You know what I mean? Because the accent, she clearly adopts like that American kind of urban black accent right here, and it just kind of sound cringe to me. And the production kind of sound dated, in my opinion. And I feel like 21 Savage could have go harder. If you listen a couple times, it don't sound like trash. Yeah. I mean, it's still trash, but it's tolerable trash. if you listen it a couple times. Alright, first of all, I love this production. It sounds really, really good. And now the vocals in the beginning. You should have dropped one hot freestyle. That freestyle energy that she always give it, always go viral. You should have did drop it in another song, yeah, man. Because the song it's fairly short, 2 minutes and 26 seconds. But overall, I think the song is pretty good, you know. I like the production. The production, it sounds very, you know, like that early 21st century type of thing. I like it, man. I like it. I said this is probably my favorite song of the album thus far. It just sounds very, you know, it just reminds me of something when I hear already, like back in the early 2000s. That just me? Comment below. But I like it, man. I like it. And like I said, Offset did this thing on this too. I want to know, say, when time that song I play, I literally Google what is Henkel glue. Yeah, but honestly though, I really like this song. This is a good song. I like that collab here. It never disappoint, man. In my opinion, it never disappoint. You know? It's a good collab. The only thing is though, is like, why them songs are so short? I mean, I don't feel like them songs are just so short. I'm already halfway through the album. Them very short, man. But yeah, I like this song. You know, it's very, you see, the thing is, this feels like a collab. You know what I mean? Like you can feel the chemistry. Yeah. You know, between Shenseea and Beenie Man on this track. You know what I mean? Beenie Man just show us, you know, why him the legend in this thing. You see me? The king of the dancehall. Yeah, this was a good song. Sean Paul verse was good too. It was a good song, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, what do I think about that? That was really good, I'm not gonna lie. I would say, you know, I would actually say that out of all of the dancehall crossover tracks that she's put out thus far on this album, I would probably say this is the best one. I think this is the one that actually works, you know? It sounds really, really good. I like it. In the beginning, it sounded kind of country. Like she was going for a country vibe. And I see that Russian is one of the producers of this song too. I like that song, yeah, honestly, no joke. I want to go on record and apologize to Shenseea. Because I'm not gonna lie, when she dropped this album, and then she dropped Lick, and then she dropped the other song, and then she dropped three other songs promoting this album, I'm not gonna lie, I was very, I had low expectations for this album, to be honest with you. But so far, I really like it. Like for me, I think the album gets really good at the second half. The first half is but the second half, it's just going, it's good. I like it. was good. It was a good song. I think it's a good song for the you know, she empower woman, you see me I say. It's a good, you know, girl tune, girl anthem. I mean, it don't really stand out to me like the other songs them, but yeah, it's a solid song. That was another girl tune again. You know, it's a good song, you know. I think this was probably a better girl tune than Egocentric. Yeah. You know, the lyrics them on point and thing, yeah, so. Okay, that was a good song. That's a really, really good song, man. Yeah, this was a good one. It's very kind of empowering, you know. She empower way, you see me. And the whole, she really showcased her vocals on this one, and the instrumentals. It just have that kind of it just, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just so riveting. You know what I mean? Yeah. Very empowering. And then I see the next song, Blessed. That's a song she released like almost 3 years ago. I don't really think we need to go there. I would honestly, in my opinion, I understand why she put Blessed, because you know it's streaming points. Blessed is probably like her Blessed is one of her most streamed songs. So by having Blessed on it, it can potentially boost the album in chart positions. You know, when a Billboard time. But I really think Sun Comes Up should have been the closer. It's a really, really good. I think it would have been the perfect song to close out the album with. It's a good song. And then I also like that part there when she had talked with her son. I'm assuming, yeah, her son, who she speaks. You know, she love her son. You can see say she do all of this for him. And you know, it's just a nice, cute little moment. She had talked to her son and just like, you know. Anyways, let's talk about the album overall. What do I think about this album? I'm not gonna lie. I came in with low expectations, and maybe that's the reason why I'm rating it so high. But it's a pretty good album, I have to say. Listen to me, she go hard on the album, yeah. I have to give her props. She basically never stick to one sound, and I could appreciate that. Like, that was, you could hear it throughout the album. You know, she give you a little pop, she give you a little reggae, she give you some dancehall, she give you some, you know. One of the songs it does sound country to me too, like country music. Who the f that I yell outside? Anyways. But yeah, overall, this is a good album, man. You know, I know she gets a lot of heat for trying to experiment with her sound, do like trying to appeal to the international market. But honestly, I don't mind that as long as it sounds good. You see me? And she have a couple songs on this that sound really, really good. I already have my favorites. Henkel, Glue, Lying If I Call It Love, Hangover, Body Count. Yeah, I'd probably say those were probably my favorites of the album. But Sun Comes Up. Sun Comes Up is an honorable mention. I like that. It's a good album, man. I'm not gonna lie. She definitely gonna receive a Grammy for this. Mark my words. Grammy, best reggae album, it's secure for this. It's really good. It's a good album, man. I'd probably give it like maybe a 7, 7.5 out of 10. Yeah. It's a good album. It's a good album. I hope it does some impact on the billboards next week, you know. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. You don't know. And leave a comment, you know, let me know your thoughts on Shenseea's new album, you see me? Alright. And also, if you guys like this type of content and you guys want me to do more, maybe comment that as well below, you know. maybe I can do another review. Should I limit it to just local musicians like dance or reggae? Or maybe I can do like international acts? You tell me. But yeah, I enjoyed doing this video. So, you know, big up on yourself and enough love. Alright? And then like what I just say, well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment. You see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.